Okay, so we can split this song into a couple different parts. There's the lick, there's gonna be the verse, bridge, chorus, outro, but I'm gonna start by teaching you the lick. We'll use this a couple times throughout the song, but this is how the song starts. I'll play it slowly and then we'll talk about it. Okay, so what's going on here, I'm taking my ring finger, putting it on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, plucking and sliding to the 4th. Okay, once you can do that, you want to put your pointer finger on the 2nd fret and do a pull off. Okay, then we're going to hammer on the 2nd string from the top on the 2nd fret. Okay, and then we're going to finish by hitting the 3rd string open. Cool, and then the chord after that is always going to be a G. So you go and you hit that top string 3rd fret. You could even do so you can add that 2nd string open in the middle of that. All right, and that's the lick. Okay, so after that lick, the song transitions into the verse, which we will learn next. Let me play it for you super slow, and then we'll talk about it. Okay, so just 4 chords. Starting on the G major, you're gonna do down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. Okay. If you're doing it after a lick, you just do just 1. Down, down, up. All right, so you kind of cut that in half and get rid of that first half. Cool. The next chord is an A, special A. We're getting rid of the 4 string 2nd fret, so it's just pointer and middle should be on the 3rd and 5th string 2nd fret. Okay, and we're gonna strum like this. Down, down, up. Okay, but one twist. You're gonna put your ring finger down on the 3rd fret, on the last up. Cool. Then in between this chord and the next chord, you can kind of do another down up strum or up down strum. And then you get to the next chord, which is a D. Okay, and you're gonna do the same strumming pattern you did on the G, but for the D. So okay, then you can do another 2 before you transition to the next chord, which is gonna be a B minor. And for this one, the strumming is a little different. So let me play it so I can get that. So it's down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. I mean, it's this. You could do the same strumming that you did on the A, but I like to add more strum. Okay, so that's the verse. You loop that twice before we get to the first bridge, so that where the chord progression changes a little bit. Okay, so after we loop that verse twice, the song moves into the first bridge thing, or it's just a new chord progression. So this is what it sounds like slowly, and then I will talk about it. G marks the start of the next verse. So, similar strumming and stuff, but the chords are changed. So the first chord, so we ended on the verse on the B minor, so the first chord now is to an E major 7, you could call it. So it's pointer finger on the 2nd string 2nd fret, and then the ring on the 5th string 3rd fret. And you're gonna do the same strums you do on the G and on the D, okay? Here, on the E. Same thing with the A, then you go to the D, same thing. then this is where it changes up a little bit. We're going to just introduce this new chord called the G major 7, which is going to be pointer finger on the 2nd string 2nd fret, middle finger on the 4th string 2nd fret, ring finger on the top string 3rd fret. That's what it should sound like. And you're going to do this one as the end of so the same strumming as like the A or the B minor would get, and then you're going to add on it as like the starting chord. So slowly it'd be like, see how it got the, and then that's when it starts the next loop kind of, and it goes, and then we go into a D with this added F sharp on the bass to lead us into the verse, which is a G. So all together again, let's go through that part really slowly. It was, so that strumming there is kind of, you just want to hit that top note at the right time. And all the other strumming you can just down up within it. And then we get to the verse, and you already know that. So you'll do the verse a couple more times, and then you'll do the next bridge section, which is the same chord progression as before, but instead of having the F sharp right here, you'll just do a regular D. And then we'll jump into the chorus, which starts with an E minor 7. And so this is what the chorus sounds like super slowly, and then we'll talk about it. Your one and only life, your one and only mine. Taking pictures down, taking boxes out. And then we get back into the verse. So the chorus starts with an E minor, like we had it. Same strumming pattern as we usually do for the first chord in these progressions. Then we do the A just like we normally do. Then the D is a little short, and so it's your one and only life, your. So it's down, 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 down. I guess it's the same. Down, 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 up, down. And we do this little walk with the G to the D with the F sharp to the back to the E. So it's your one and down, your one and only. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, so all from the top. And this is where you got to change your rhythm up a little bit, because we got to get the walk back up. So then you're going to go down, up, down, down, up, down. You got to be fast, and you got to slow this. You probably want to slow this video down and just look at what I'm doing. And then you hop back into it. Taking pictures down, taking boxes out, same walk up. Boxes down. And you move to the A, back to the A to kind of transition out of it. And this is the A where we'll do the lick over. So, okay, so after you have that chorus down, you're almost done. You just do the lick one more time. You'll do the verse with one day. You'll do the bridge for that. And then you'll get back to the second chorus, which is the same as the first. You'll do the lick again. And then we have the outro, which is slightly different. And he's going like this. Okay, so to enunciate what I was doing there, it was G like normal, to A, to D, back to G, then E minor 7 to A to D. One more time. All right, and that is So What by Pinegrove. I am so glad that you watched the whole video, and that if I added some value to your day, please drop me a like. If you're into this type of music, subscribe, leave a comment with a suggestion. This video is actually a suggestion itself. And yeah, have a great day.